Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka kenhun ki menteri ke Sarkar Jela apo ke jengelam menteri rangba ukon rat sangma hne kesngi ka pratari ko rampang arhajar arpwai kila ya kendu ya bun ki menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng manya keren halor bun ki kam penroy bat ki projek na ka benda ka Jela. Kani ka kenhun kalai kendu ya menteri ke tenat housing bat urban affairs ubadai pejru ya ka kam lingsun u Hardip Singh Puri manya keren halor ka kam penroy apo sor kamtam ban snai ki ying ke beduk bat ban penhe ya kakat lingsun ha umroy bat ya kakat lingsun ha baljek kini baru arteli ki kat lingsun kidai ke badon ha po ke Jela Meghalaya ha ke jingedon lang ki officer Ketenat Airport Authority of India kani ke kenhun kalai kendu ru ya menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng Ujal Shakti Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ban kentu yu ban pelaj no ya kapisa badangsa kabalamang na kabenta ke Jela baru ban pediang ye ki projek ki batamai ki ba ke Jela ka lapha.
The meeting with the Urban Affairs Minister and who is also the Minister in charge for Civil Aviation was regarding the urban housing for the poor. So we have asked for some support from the government in terms of urban housing. We have also asked for financial support from the Government of India for improvement of infrastructure in New Shillong area, where we need more roads and other forms of infrastructure to be developed. So some support from that also has been sought from the Government of India. At the same time, we have also asked for support for water supply scheme for William Nagar. Apart from that, we have also discussed on how to further expand the operations in Umroi Airport, and at the same time also ensure that we are able to activate the Baljek Airport. And so the required infrastructure, the required support from Government of India was sought to activate Baljek Airport, and officials from the Airport Authority of India were also there. We got a positive response in all those aspects, and of course the government has, the minister has asked us to work out the details. The officials are working on that and seeing how we can take all these issues forward. Apart from that, we also had a meeting today with the Honorable Minister for Jal Shakti. So there were some minor irrigation schemes and schemes under Har Khet Ko Pani. So these projects also, which are the applications and proposals of which are pending with Government of India, we requested Honorable Minister to release the funds and also to approve some of the new proposals that we have put. We discussed about the need for cleaning up our rivers like the Wamukra and the Shirpi, and there was a very positive response from the Honorable Minister. In fact, he has instructed his officials to ensure that this project goes through. And at the same time, there was also discussion regarding Jal Shakti, Jal Jeevan Mission, and the Honorable Minister expressed satisfaction in the way Meghalaya is progressing. But he wanted more results, and therefore he has given some very good suggestions, and he has told the state government very specifically that funds will not be an issue in this aspect. So he has urged the state government to ensure that the implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission is done in a very, very aggressive manner.